Hello everyone. Auto picking return app will help user to return to the picking where the products are tracked by lot number as well as the serial number, auto assign and auto process to be done. We have two options to reverse transfer. One is in partial return and another one is in full return with auto transfer. Once a full return with auto transfer is selected, all products with the lot or a serial number will be transferred to the stock, then all reversed invoice will be prepared. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the inventory. Here under the products, we can see the products list and let's get into the one of the product. So for this product, okay, I have make an traceability as a lot, and also we have an on-hand quantity in by using the lot and serial number. Okay, now after enabling all the things, now let's check the workflow of this module. So for that, let's get into the sales order to create in sales order. Now let's click on the new option to create a sales order where we need to give the customer name, and here in the product we need to select in product, and for this product only we have add traceability, like user have to create and sales order where all the products are added having a traceability with lot and serial number. Now let's change the quantity to 5. Okay, now let's confirm the order from here. Now you can see the delivery will be created. Let's validate it. Now we have completed the delivery process. From here itself, user can see the return option. Now let's click on that for the transfer. Okay. Now here you can see an pop-up where you can see the two options. One will be the partial return and another one will be an full return with auto transfer. User can select an full return with auto transfer option and click on the return button which is available here. Once it is done, you can see the return order will be created. Okay. Once full return with an auto transfer is selected, all the products with the lot on serial number auto assign and auto process to be done in this particular transfer. Now here in this transfer page in the detailed operations, user can see and lot and serial number will be available here. Okay, now here in this particular delivery order, you can see the lot will be 1002, and like the same way, if you get into the sales order, you can see there are two delivery order. One order will be that delivery order, okay, that is transfer order, and another order will be the return order. Okay, and here in this return order also, you can see the same lot will be reflected here. Now let's create an another sales order. So from here, let's get into the customer and where we need to select the product. So I'm going to select the same product. Okay, I make that quantity as 5 again. And let's confirm the order and let's make the delivery confirm. And also if user creates an invoice for that, okay, now I'm going to confirm the invoice as well. So now you can see for this order we have created a delivery order as well as the invoice. Now let's return the delivery order which we have created. Okay, now let's choose this option. Now if you return, you can see the return, okay, and where you can see the lot number which is tracked from an order delivery order which we have created before. Okay, and also you can see the invoice is also automatically created for that particular return. You can see the reverse invoice will be available here. Okay, and you can see all that informations about the reverse invoice will be available here in this page. Now let's see the workflow of the partial return. Now for that we need to create an another sales order. Now I'm going to add the product. Okay, let's add the same product but with the quantity of 3. Okay, now let's confirm the order and here let's process all the validations. Okay. So here after creating the delivery as well as the invoice, now let's get into the delivery order. Here user can see the return option. Now let's click on that partial return where we need to give the quantity. Now let's return the quantity 1. Okay, now let's return it. Now you can see that we have returned the quantity of 1, not full return, so it will take that quantity alone. Okay, now if you get into that, it will automatically take that particular lot. Okay, and if needed we can just validate it from here, and now you can see that particular order will be done. And if user tries to return again, okay, and from here in this delivery order, if user tries to return for the partial return, it will take that two quantity only. So in this way, we can make use of this module to help user to return to picking where the products are tracked by lot and serial number, auto assign and auto process to be done easily. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.